got eminence from Japan. That's gonna be fun.
難しい問題聞いてる。
すいません。本当。
A really good way to kick off Tokyo Auto Week. I'm really excited.
So today we are in the event at CCTV, and you will see cars like this Supra, like this Porsche from Portage, and Tom has been making sure to bring these incredible cars, and also we're gonna be showing the other 30 cars that you have around. We're gonna be having a championship on the karting, and the winner is gonna be able to drive a real race car. So follow us to see how it's gonna be the event on the CCTV today in Tokyo. We are here with Hana Burton, that is organizing this event. Last year was with Lowdown, and this year also Larry Chen is coming.
Yep.
I have a really interesting question for you. Are you gonna be driving as well the championship to be able to drive this car or
No.
not?
No.
Because otherwise we will not have chance to win, no?
I'm not very fast in a go-kart.
Yeah.
So if you have the fastest time today in the go-kart, you can drive either this car or that black V-Grand's over there.
Oh.
Yeah, at Coda Circuit for a day.
I just want to point out, free drive in a race car at a racetrack. What track is it?
It's called Coda Circuit. So it's a little bit of a smaller, lower speed course because we want to be safe for our first time someone driving a race car.
I have a lot of faces. I'm driving with Tom's, and then I'm a content creator, and then also I'm starting to run this rental business. So if there's anyone out there that is looking to pursue a career in racing and wants to start somewhere very entry level, these are great cars. So
Oh, that's super nice. So you are also renting these cars?
yeah. So we run a team called Circuit Orange Racing in Aichi, and we have a few Vitas, and then we have the V-Grand. So
Wow.
yeah, looking for drivers.
That's super nice. So if you want to join, I will put the link below just for you to be able to drive these cars. Thank you, Hannah.
Thank you.
Was not filming. One guy. We are here with the owner of this RX7, that is Chantaro-san. So we meet already 3 years ago in Tokyo Auto Salon back in the time. That was my first time in Daikoku, and I'm super happy to see him again. ごめん。日本語も大丈夫です。だからいつこの車作りました？
6年、7年前。
I also like that Supra. Tom's
Good car.
The Supra
Super good
from
car.
Tom's is super nice. 一番かっこいいのパーツはどっちがこの車？
ああ、難しい。これ難しい問題聞いてる。
すいません。本当。
ボンネット。
ボンネットですね。何ブランドですか？
スクスポーツ。
この車日本で本当高いですね。
高くなったね。でも、まあ、GTR とかに比べて。I only love RX7.
So?
It's gonna be full of traffic, so it's gonna be difficult.
It's gonna be fun. I did in total 3 stints, rowing all the time. The rubber was helping, but as well, the barriers were moving little by little, so it was easier to do the lines on the circuit. I get punctured on this stint, so I had to warm up the tires again, and I ended up spinning. My time was 28.8, and I got 7/10 off of the fastest time. We have been talking a little bit with Dino and Larry Chen, and they are super interesting people. They have been sharing many secrets inside the car culture. We have been driving, but unfortunately, we get a puncture, and as you can see, the vibes are keep increasing. More people coming where the people is going after that. Many people is talking about Umi Hotaro. Other people are gonna go to a secret location. Following the environment, we have been meeting many interesting people like Larry Chen, Dino, and now we have here eminence from Japan doing content on YouTube, Instagram. He is everywhere. How is the event? How it's going?
This is Lucio. I go by Italian in Japan on some channels, and I go by RPM Generation on other channels, on YouTube in particular. What's up? How's it going?
Perfect. Just a little bit cold.
It's fine. Could be worse. I saw Rico's, RWB, Dino. I think this is Dino. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it is. It is.
So yeah, there's quite a
Also,
few.
the Supra, the green one, is my favorite one.
That's one of my favorite Supras around. Although I really like this one.
Yeah, as well.
It's mean. It's angry. It's powerful. Yeah, I really like it.
That one looks
And
super
also, it's my
sick.
friend's house. It's my friend's car, so it's kind of got it.
So then it's advantage.
Right there, yeah. I'm gonna do a Tokyo Auto Salon recap specifically for TAS, but I'm also gonna do a vlog for Tokyo Auto Salon week, and this is kind of like the beginning of it. Yeah.
So if you guys don't know what to do in Japan and you are looking for events, you can contact him. I will put the link on the description because he knows everything. He is everywhere. If you see a car meet, he's there. People can be enjoying watching your videos as well on
I
your
appreciate
YouTube channel.
It, but yeah, of course, not watch him first, and then if you still want to see some more, come through.
So thank you guys so much for coming. A really good way to kick off Tokyo Car Week. I'm really excited to be here to cover all the amazing car culture and make a lot of friends. For me, at least, the center of car culture in Japan is in Tokyo. Just wanted to thank everyone again for coming here. If you guys have any questions about car culture or photography or whatever, just stop me.
We are at the end of the event. As you can see, we are loading the cars and has been an incredible journey. We enjoy a lot driving in the karting, enjoying the cars, meeting a lot of interesting people. It's gonna be a really long weekend ahead with the Tokyo Auto Salon, but hopefully we enjoy all around and we have enough energy to enjoy all the cars. So with that last Supra, we say bye-bye.